So here we have another problem. We also find PQ. But let us check if it's possible to get the product of P and Q. So what type of matrix is P? What's the order of P? P is how many rows? 2 rows and 3 columns. So P is what we call a 2 by 3 matrix. And Q is what type of matrix? How many rows? So we have 3 rows and 2 columns. So yes, it is possible because these numbers are the same. The amount of columns in the first and the amount of rows in the second. And of course, this will result in a 2 by 2 matrix. Let's do the multiplication. Make a very big space here. So multiplying P by Q. So remember, we take the first row and apply it to all the columns over here. So remember over here we're just using the rows. So remember, for this matrix we're using the rows only, and for this matrix we're using the columns only. Always, alright? So for the first matrix we take the first row and apply it to this column, that product with this column. Alright, let's do that. So we take 2, 3, negative 1 and apply it to 2, 1, 5. Taking that product. And of course, we're pairing first number to first number, second number to second number, third number to third number. Alright, so 2, 3, negative 1 to 2, 1, 5. Let's go. So first number to first number, so 2 times 2 plus 3 times 1, second number to second number, plus the last number now, minus 1 times 1. Then you take the same row and apply it to the other column now. So you're applying 2, 3, negative 1 to 4 minus 3, 1. So 2 times 4 plus 3 times minus 3, right? Plus minus 1 times 1. Alright, so we are done with the top row. Let's deal with the second row now. We're going to apply the second row to the same 2 columns. So always rows over here using is always the columns over here using. So apply this row now to the same 2 columns. So we're going to apply 5, 2, 6 to 2, 1, 5. Alright, 5, 2, 6 to 2, 1, 5. So first number to first number, so 5 times the 2. 2 middle number now, 2 times the 1. Plus 6 times the 5. And then now we apply the 5, 2, 6 to the other column. Alright, so 5, 2, 6 apply to 4 minus 3, 1. So 5 times 4. And then plus 2 times minus 3. 2 times minus 3, right? Plus 6 times 1. Alright. Let us try and simplify that. I can just use a calculator. Alright, so let's work this out now. So 2 times 2, 4. So 4 plus 3 minus 1. So 4. So 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 1, 3. And then minus 1 times 1, that's minus 1, right? Here we have 2 times 4. That's 8. Three times minus 3, that's minus 9. And minus 1 times 1, that's minus 1. Down here we have 5 times 2, 10. 2 times 1, 2. And 6 times 5, 30, right? For this one, we have 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is what? 20. 2 times minus 3 is minus 6, so it's 20. Minus 6. And then 6 times 1, that's positive 6. Come for space, I'll put the final answer here. And this step I take here was totally unnecessary. You could have just worked out each of these in one instance. So let me just do it from here, since this is looking a little bit cloudy. So the 2 times 2, so 4 plus 3 minus 1. That's 6. Here, 8 minus 9 minus 1. What's 8 minus 9? Minus 1 minus 1, so that's minus 2. 10 plus 2 plus 30. What's that? 32. And here, 20, take away 6, that's 14. And 14 plus 6, that's 20. So, PQ is 6 minus 2, 32, 20.